Gemini is awesome, but perhaps this AI tool is not for everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch back to Google Assistant from Gemini AI on your Android phone. So the first thing that you need to do is that you have to open the Gemini app on your phone, and after that, tap your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen, and then tap switch to Google Assistant. And then here, select Google Assistant and tap switch. And now your Android phone is no longer using Gemini. So if you press the home key, press and hold the home key, it will trigger Google Assistant, not Gemini. But keep in mind that right now, Gemini is going to be the future of personal assistant on most Android phones. And I have no idea how long Google will keep serving users with Google Assistant. So for the time being, you might be able to use Google Assistant, but I cannot guarantee about the future. But anyway, if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.